Hi everybody, today we'll be explaining how to add more BioFi tokens to your current rewards deposit. Once you log into app.biofitoken.io, you'll be brought to this page. This is a rewards utility page. Here you can see the different rewards tiers you can enter, as well as how much BioFi you have in your wallet, how much BioFi you have locked in version 1, and locked in version 2. Now to add more tokens, we're going to need to go to the dashboard, so click View Dashboard. This will take you to the BioFi Rewards dashboard version 2. Version 2 is the only version you can add tokens or upgrade your rewards tier from. If you have tokens currently locked in dashboard version 1, once they are closed, you can swap them over and begin a new rewards tier in version 2 of the rewards contract. Now to add tokens, you're going to move over to the right side and click Add Tokens. Here you'll enter the amount of tokens you would like to add. We'll add 1,000 tokens. Enter 1,000 and click Add Token. You'll receive a prompt in your MetaMask for the contract to interact with your BioFi. Click Confirm. Once that transaction is completed, you'll receive another prompt in your MetaMask to deposit the tokens into the contract. Scroll down and click Confirm. Once that transaction is completed, you'll see a pop-up that says Operation Successful. Click OK. Close this pop-up window. You will now see that you've added 1,000 tokens to your current BioFi rewards contract. And there you go. You're done. You've added tokens.